Ripple just broke a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another XRP analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I am happy to announce we are now being sponsored by Fairdesk. So if those of you that are interested in getting a $650 bonus, just check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Ripple, we have had a beautiful move to the downside. Yesterday, I mentioned that the fact that if this level were to hold, it would be a little bit more bullish on the momentum side for the 44 cents. But you can see we pretty much broke that level beautifully, right? I mentioned to you guys yesterday on the third test, the most likely scenario is going to be a break situation, and you can see this beautiful move to the downside, pushing below that support at 44 cents, having a beautiful wick. So now the question is going to be, what now, right? Well, basically we can look at it from this perspective that I did draw this new line of support for you guys, so you kind of have a better understanding of what I was saying. So you can see that we kind of have this almost triple bottom sort of situation now, but we've also had this double bottom situation, right? So from a bullish perspective, there is a little bit of a more bullish side of things right now, as long as we can hold above this support line. By doing so, if the bulls can take control of this level and actually manage to get above that 49 cent, it's going to be a beautiful play for that long position. But if we do see a break below and start to consolidate to this level, this major level of 36 cents is still going to be my overall play, right? I'm not going to be looking for any long positions right now, because I would like to play that long position to the high side only when it's safe to do so, right? This is a lot better of a long position here at 36 cents, and the reason for that is this is a very strong support. This middle level here at 44 cents is not really a strong support, right? This is pretty much just taking these shorts, or sorry, these long positions and hoping there's a small bounce or a V-shaped formation. But in my opinion, I don't like trading like that, right? I would rather take the trade that's going to be playing out in the long term, and I would much rather enter a long term overall at 36 cents than me entering here at 44 cents. Now, of course, if we do get that break below, although we did see a small break below, we didn't get that confirmation break. And again, for those of you that don't understand what a confirmation break is, it looks like something like this, right? Where you see a break below that support level, you start to consolidate at that level, and then another push to the downside. That would be your opportunity for that short position. Right now, you are seeing that same sort of break formation, but we're not seeing that confirmation, right? We're pretty much seeing that V-shaped formation. So whether or not this is going to be a fake out, that's going to be the interesting question. If we can stay above this 44 cents and then push forward to that 47, that is definitely a play, right? But something to keep in mind, guys, if we hold this 44 cents and we see that break above, and then we start seeing that rejection pattern right here at the 47 cents, that's going to give you that confirmation of entering that short position to that 36 cents. So overall, there are two possible scenarios here, of course, but it's looking more like a bearish case scenario right now, because of the fact that every time the bulls try to take control of these V-shaped formations, we're pretty much broken below and then continue pushing lower. That's pretty much showing that the bears are definitely in control and the bulls are definitely losing momentum. And the reason we bounce at this level, of course, is because you can see that the RSI was oversold, which is a great position to actually take for a short-term scalp. Now, of course, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see a much better understanding of what exactly is going on. You can see that we did get a candle close below that support line at 44 cents, but we consolidated right below and then pushed right back into that resistance, and now we're trading above that level. Whether or not this is going to be another fake out situation, you guys have been seeing this over on Cardano, you have seen this over on Ripple. It happens to the same thing, right? We pretty much have this break on support, we have this pullback, and then we have a continuation pushing down. This is no different, right? We pretty much have a break on support, continuation pushing down, pushing again, and they're going back down. That is pretty much the same situation we are seeing over and over on Ripple. That's why I'm leaning towards more of the bearish side. But of course, from the bullish side, if we can try to get a nice, beautiful long candlestick up here to around that 49 cent and then test these levels, that would become a little bit more short-term bullish to try and take that overall resistance out at 56 cents and move forward for that 75 cents. But in my opinion, I still think a bearish situation is more likely, where we actually test this 36 cents and then have that massive break above, or we just have this very large consolidation stage in these ranges before we have the next leg up, right? That's definitely another possibility too. And because of the fact that every time we hit these levels, we have a small bounce, this could be an accumulation stage before the next leg up. That's something to keep in mind as well. So right now, we're just going to look at what the chart is telling us, and the chart right now is saying that we are still trading below the exponential moving averages on the 4 hour and the 1 hour time frames, and we are pushing below these support levels. So that's giving you indication that obviously the bears are going to stay in this control until we can try to take above these levels at the exponential moving averages and try to push above these major levels and continuation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure to check out that link in the bio, guys. It's a free $650 if you do check out that link, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.